Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, October 24, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong Thursday, October 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2PM. 3D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong October 24, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto, 2PM. 'See you again later' for 5PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, October 24, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for October 24, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of Thursday, October 24, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.